morning, friends. Happy Friday. Whew, it's a strange Friday. So, as you guys know, the weather, the ice, if y'all can't see, is still icy out here in these streets. And I had a doctor's appointment this morning at 9 a.m. and was kind of expecting some icy conditions, but I didn't know it was going to be as bad. So I woke up this morning and listened to the news and the weather, and apparently everybody and their mama was out here cutting up on them roads. So accidents everywhere, streets shut down, such and such. So I am not a ice driver now or ever have been. So Jay is decided to take me to the doctor. I had to push my appointment back an hour. Driving me to my appointment, he's gonna stay wait, and then we're gonna go to his job. So I am on a field trip today. I will be stashed in Jay's office, hiding out, working, while he's working. I don't know how this is gonna work. This is the first time. So we'll see how it goes. And y'all just pray that we make it there safely. Talk to y'all later. Made it to the doctor's office safely, y'all. I'm in here, about to put my drape on. This is my drape. We don't do hospital gowns no more. If you know, you know, ladies. If you know, you know. It's the paper dress for me, y'all. I'm in Jay's office. I'm in Jay's office. I'm working. Kinda. It's actually pretty slow, thankfully. Just returned a few client calls and caught up on my emails and doing a word search that I found in Jay's office. It's so quiet in here. So I have my AirPods in, but it's gonna be a long day. Actually, it's already almost noon, so not too bad, but long enough.
Today was bringing your fiance to work day.
It's hot in here.
It's hot, man. See what she doing? She said she at work. She be working. She over here doing crossword puzzles.
I am. I sure am.
This is why she don't go in the office, y'all. She get more work done at home than she do in the office.
Whatever.
Yeah. Leftover spaghetti's fire.
It was. I smashed already.
Yeah, she definitely smashed. But yeah. I'm about to finish eating lunch and then have to get back out there.
3 o'clock, yeah.
I know it's almost time to go home.
I'm ready.
Hey, buddy out here getting off, y'all.
I hope you don't see me.
Eyes blurry. There you go. Yeah, sing it, boy. Ah, yeah, yeah. I don't like niggas. He hitting that mug, though. I want to listen to what he's listening to. Not.
What's up, guys? Good evening. Jay and I are out to eat. We're meeting another couple here, but we're at a hibachi spot. But yeah, we're waiting for the other couple, and y'all, I'm just hungry, okay? So hopefully they show up soon, because I'm ready to eat. That's all.
Mama, brownies, come here. Come here. She won.
Mm-hmm.
Brownie, come here. She knows she.
Ah. Don't let your mama get you in trouble.
Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Hope y'all are doing well. Jay and I had a good time on our little double date last night. Had good food. Made it home. and went to sleep. Jay had to take some medicine because y'all, he done went outside. I told y'all he was gonna get pneumonia. It's not pneumonia, but it is a cold. So he took some medicine and he went to sleep. He's getting up in a little bit to pick up Elise. And I am about to get ready to head to the run. I kept going back and forth, laying in bed. Like, should I go? Should I not go? But I was up. So I was like, I'm up, let me go. So I'm gonna go. I haven't been super consistent working out this week. So it'll be a good workout for me. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey. You ready? You ready for our adventure? Huh? You ready for our adventure? No, just Cheerios? Okay.
No.
Yeah? Yeah, we're gonna be sitting there for a little bit. A lot of cars coming. Say hi.
Hi, how are you? Afternoon.
They're doing well.
Bye, toy.
Yeah. Don't waste it. Don't waste it. Put them back in the cup holder. Put them back in here.
Look at Miss Thing with her hands on her hips. Hey, girl, tell the people hey. Want to tell the people hey? Oh, hold on. She wanted to see herself. Oh, tell them hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
Yeah. Say, oh, there's Dad. Who's that? Sing with me. All right, y'all. She's back with her favorite toy. Hey. Move your body to the beat. Turtle.
Turtle.
Turtle. What's that one?
Octopus.
Octopus. Where's the octopus go? Good job. Good job.
Fish.
Fish.
Rope.
Can you make a fishy face?
Fishy.
Elise, can you make a fishy face? Look at Zell. Can you do that? No? Guess not. All right, what's next? Need help? There you go. What's next?
Cow.
Oh, wait, what's that? Is that a cow? Look at it again. What's this one?
Daddies.
That's a dog. See?
Woof.
Ruff, ruff. Good job. What's next?
Wow.
Brownie. Hey, you need to go. Look, Brownie wants to. Thanks, Elise. Here, we got a couple more. She's helping me pick up her puzzles because she said she was done. Octopus. All right. There's one more. That's what's one? Which
Yeah.
one? Yeah, good job. All right, thank you. You want to open up the other one? You want to open up the new toys? Look, behind you. You want to open up your new toys?
Joy.
Here, let's see. I'll open.
Joy.
All right.
When you say hello,
There you
Elise.
go. Oh.
Elise.
You want to dump it out?
Elise.
All righty. Little tall girl.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Buckets. Say buckets. We'll get buckets.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, Tom.
Yeah.
Yeah, showboat a little bit.
Say I'm good.
Bucket.
There you
There
go.
you
Buckets.
Buckets.
Yeah. Elise Cam. Oh,
Yeah. Bye-bye.
are you done? Press the button. Tell them bye. And
Bye.
press the button. Nope, the red one. Press the red button. You gotta press it. At least you gonna sing your dad happy birthday?
No.
No,
Right.
Okay.
it's his birthday. We sang you happy birthday.
Said no. That's tough already.
She said nope. And y'all, she said it a couple of times before I got it on camera. You silly.
Me and
Go get a bucket.
what? You wanna go outside?
Go get a bucket.
Get it, huh? You wanna go outside?
Yeah.
Hey! Get it, girl.
Dance on them. Dance on them. Get another bucket.
Wanna go outside?
Bucket.
Yeah.
Get it. Yay!
There you go. Dance on them.
Yay.
It's your
Yay.
happy birthday. Hey, get it. Hey, tell Daddy happy birthday. Oh,
Mama got the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. The right hand. Hell yeah. She left-handed, y'all. She can't make it with the left hand, but she can make the right hook, sky hook. Oh, uh-oh. I spoke too soon. Look at Brownie in the background. Looking at her like, what is you doing? Nope. It's like right. He's right back. Karima Abdul-Jabbar. The crazy thing about this right here, y'all, this is a whole grown human being. So
are you making fun of me?
fitting on this like this is where only feet fit and her whole body fit.
So, leave me alone. I ran over 3.5 miles this morning.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, my little easy pace run today.
Look at that, my little athlete.
Yeah. I feel like I could have ran a lot further actually.
Yeah.
Except I had to go to the restroom. I had to
And turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Hey, do the hokey
Pokey dance.
hokey pokey.
Do the hokey pokey dance. Hokey pokey. Do the hokey pokey dance.
Get it
Hokey pokey
with me. Oh, put your right hand out. Shake it.
Shake it all about.
Hokey
Do
pokey.
the hokey pokey. Turn yourself around.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about. Hokey pokey dance. Hokey pokey do the hokey.
Bella, back up, girl.
Hokey pokey do the hokey pokey.
Ready? Happy.
Keep it easy, same.
Elise,
Yo, look at what Elise did to her room, yo.
why did you destroy this room? Why? Wait, look, I can't even put you down without messing something up. Girl, it's time to clean up. You literally dumped everything out of here.
Yeah.
Clean up. It's cleanup time.
Easy.
Clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Girl, no, clean up.
Go get some more buckets. Yeah.
High five.
Buckets. Go get some buckets. Go get some more buckets. Yeah. High five. Put the team on your back. Go get the game winner.
High five.
It's too cold outside.
One more.
Oh, don't shut Gigi out.
Get another bucket.
Oh.
You should go. Ah, okay. Oh, thought she was gonna slam my finger. You still
All right, y'all. We came to Target. Miss Thing, we brought her Miss Thing's basket so she can push and get her some snacks. You gotta push it straight though. There you go. Follow Daddy. Good job. Yay! Come on. Let's go put some stuff in our basket. Oh. Yeah, you drifting?
We gotta come over here.
Come on.
We're going
This way.
We're going this way. Come on.
Oh.
Go fish? Go fish? You want that one? Okay. We'll take that. Put it in your bin.
Basket.
Put it in the basket. There you go.
right,
All right,
let's go.
let's go. What's next?
Push it.
What's next?
Okay, keep going. You want some more goldfish? Oh, you gonna switch it out?
You want to stay with that one?
Or chips?
I want some chips? Pringles? Which ones? Those?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, that's your two.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
All right.
Good job.
Pretty good. You can't drink. Yeah, you can't drink. You can't drink coffee at least.
Hi. You're showing your Pringles and your goldfish. How about you?
I'm good. I don't drink coffee. Thank you.
Felice is enjoying her ride in the car. Say woo! You gotta sit down. Gotta sit though.
Hey guys, it's Saturday evening. Jay is taking Elise home to her mom, and I am about to go into look for Jay a birthday gift. His birthday is on Tuesday. Already got one of his gifts, and I'm about to pick up the other one. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm not gonna bring you guys with me because of course I don't want him to see where I'm at, so he has no idea what I'm getting him. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. All right, y'all, we back at Walmart for my weekly trip for my groceries. It might be a little expensive this time because I gotta get, the toiletries this week. I'm not ready to spend this money, but it has to be done.
What's up, y'all? Before I'm going to pick up Elise, I'm gonna stop and get a hoop session in with some homies of mine. I'm getting a little workout in today as well. Haven't been in the gym. Literally, I ain't been in the gym all week, y'all. And that's not like myself. So best believe starting tomorrow, as far as like lifting, back in there heavy. So, yeah. But I'm about to go and get some buckets, get some dubs. You know how we do. All right.
Here's the damage, guys. I'm guessing 67.43. 67.43. Let's see how close I'm getting real good at this, y'all. I was super close.
Wrapping up, done. Post work. Time to go home. All right, well, actually, no. What time for me to go pick up Elise? Yeah. Hey, Jeremy. Jeremy, tell him what you did, boy. Tell him what you did, Jeremy. Get the game winner. Who you hit the game winner on? You hit the game winner on Steve? All right. I had to do it. Don't do it like that. Hold on. You hit the game winner on that? Hey, y'all. So I'm trying to get a car wash, but I don't know where to go at this new place. This will be Elise's first time experiencing a car wash. So want to get her reaction of how things are done at the car wash. So I'll come back here in a second once I find out what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll be back in a second. Oh, no, the sun's bright. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Car washer. car wash.
Big,
Big and small.
big, 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 small, small, small.
Hey, I love when you sing to me.
Big is big is big, 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 small, small.
Big and small. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, yeah, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, and I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Yay! Yay!
Hey, you sing it. Okay, the next clip I come back, it'll be while we're going through the car wash itself. Here we go, Elise. This is called the car wash. Introduce yourself to the car wash. It's called the car wash. Little water, you know, little sprinkle there, sprinkle here. She's unfazed because of this basketball, y'all. She thinking like, what's going on? This is called the car wash. Car wash. Look up here. Look up there. Yeah. Got wipes and stuff. Is it cool? You like it in here? It's fun, ain't it? Power. She trying to touch it up. She trying to touch it on the glass. The car wash, baby. Just like that, we're almost finished. Whew, it's hot in this car, y'all. Real hot. And that is the car wash, Elise. That's all she wrote. That's the car wash. She back here. Basketball. I love it.
Guys, I've not been doing a good job at vlogging today. Made it back from the store earlier. Got my greens going. Making some meatloaf and homemade mashed potatoes to go with that. Jay's back with Elise, but she is sleeping. She was asleep when she got here. Ms. Leslie made it here with Kason, but they're actually hanging out on the couch. Not gonna interrupt the chillness that is Kason right now. He might be about to fall asleep. So, yes, guys. So that's what's going on here. Jay just went to take a shower. He should be out here in a second, and then I will be running to go grab my meal prep. stuff that I got from Shan. As you guys know, I oftentimes will get meals from her. So if you guys are looking for a good meal prep service out in DFW, hit up Shan. Don't be out here hungry, okay? I'm gonna link her Instagram page so you guys can check her out on IG. Her meal prep service is called Tastecations, and I think it's underscore Tastecation on IG, but I'll link it for you guys in the description. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.
What? Are they trying to vacation up?
Jason. Get up and play with
Kiss
me.
him.
You wanna
Kiss
play?
him. Kiss him.
Yeah, good job. Say, Kason, wake up.
Kiss him.
Play with your cousin.
Kason, come on, get up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up. Look, there go your cousin.
Kiss him. Kiss him. Kiss him. Kiss him.
Come on.
Kiss him. Kiss him.
I'm too tired, Mom.
Look at this cute girl. Cute girl in her outfit. Say, I'm cute.
That's my.
Tell the people, hey.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, people.
Hi, Papa.
Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Say thanks for watching us.
Watching us. Yes. Beep, boop, beep, boop,
People.
boop, boop.
Who's this? Who's this?
Bunny.
Good job. Who's that? Who's that?
Yay.
Good job.
Yay.
Who's this? Who am I?
Who is that?
Who am I?
Who is that?
Beep, 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 beep.
Elise.
Who am I?
Elise, who is that?
What's my name? What's my name?
Booby, booby.
Booby.
Booby. Okay. That is my boobies. What's my name? You act like you don't know.
Mmm.
Elise, who is this? Who is that? My bad.
Ah.
What she gonna say? She gonna say when you cut it
As
off.
soon as I cut it off.
Good morning.
That's this one?
I don't know the words. I'm just not.
I don't know anything.
Baba Boo shake, how we walk.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But she know about what I know.
Where I pop.
Huh?
This little skirt so cute, y'all. Look at this little skirt.
She burped.
Yes. This is a wet one. That was fancy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
8, 9, 10.
Oh, Lisa's sad because her cousin is asleep. She want to wake him up. You see Kason sleeping? Elise? He's sleeping. Now she distracted. She having her little tea party. And singing. We don't know what she's singing.
They fresh pop crunch too. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Tip me over and pour me out.
mommy finger, where are you? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am.
Pockets.
Hey, cupcakes. Cupcakes?
KBC.
Want to get it out? Come on, try this. Try it. Let me see.
Oh, put your right foot in, take your right foot out, put your right foot in, shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now put your left foot in, take your left foot out, put your left foot in and shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
No.
Now do the hokey pokey dance. Hokey pokey do the hokey pokey dance. Hokey pokey do the hokey pokey dance. Hokey pokey with me.
Give me a hip,
Put your
please.
head in.
Put your head out. Put your head in. And shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Put your whole self in, take your whole self out, put your whole self in, and shake it all about.
You do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now, jump around. Jump around. Jump around with me. Oh,
Hokey pokey dance.
We're both awake now. Wanna play the piano? No. You wanna play with the kitchen set? You wanna take it in there? Okay. Watch out for your cousin. Watch out for her. You take it in. You take it in there. At least you wanna come in here? You wanna take your puzzles and come in here? Or you wanna stay in the room? Which one? You want the animals?
Hey guys, Jay is taking Elise home to her mom's, and I am finishing up in the kitchen, y'all. I gotta show y'all because I'm proud of myself. So of course my collard greens, which half my pot went to Miss Leslie for her and Jay's grandmother since they love my greens so much. And I got my homemade mashed potatoes. Then we got cornbread, and then the main star, Nana. You would be very proud. Look, don't it look good? Ooh, I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I've never made meatloaf before, but Jay loves it. And my Nana always made it. And it was always good. So I asked her for that recipe. I followed it. I think I did a pretty good job. Of course, we'll know for sure once we actually eat it. But waiting for him to get back to eat. Just wanted to say what's up and give you guys an update on the food.
Hey, y'all thought the power roast was something? I'm telling y'all, Zoe over here spoiling me, man, because she out here making meatloaf, mashed potatoes,
This is my plate.
her famous greens. Man, everything homemade from scratch. Like, come on now.
Yeah, we're going to see if it tastes
Hey,
good.
let me turn, they don't matter about me. This woman right here. Y'all, look.
Shout out to my Nana for the recipe. I hope I did it justice. I did taste a little bit, and it tasted good to me. So, you know, anyways, we gonna grub because we hungry.
Yeah.
And we'll talk to y'all later.
Bye-bye.